Okie dokie. So this week has been pretty slow for me, especially because I haven't been prioritizing the right things, which means that I have been procrastinating on too much research. I definitely am over leveraging on content creation. One thing about content is I can definitely do it on a consistent basis. Not a problem about that. And I feel like I've beaten a lot of people when it comes to being on a regular. It's just that I need to show more value when it comes to content. And that just comes from time. And in today, I really want to show you what I'm stacking, which is no code web development. So I want to show you this, which is what I saw yesterday, and something that I'm really going to focus on top of my marketing skills.
Software and various full stack apps quite easily with the help of Cursor and something called V0. This is something that is very simple to set up, and this is something that I'll showcase throughout today's video. Now, we've all heard of Cursor, a groundbreaking AI-centric IDE that can easily enable anyone to code with the help of AI. Recently, they had released Cursor Composer, which I made multiple videos on, and it greatly elevates how you can code with it. And the thing is, people have been making insane creations with this new tool. In this demo video, someone created a Chrome extension for easy virtual clothing trials on any e-commerce store. It uses the latest color models on Hugging Face, and the output of different generations from Cursor Composer is truly insane. But the only problem is, it's not so user-friendly for people to configure and utilize the Composer feature, which is why I have a solution today. And the solution is V0 by Versal. This is a chat-based web development companion where you can easily generate various components with this chat-based app. Now, it's practically a free alternative to
So essentially, you do not need engineering skills, programming skills whatsoever. All you need to do is get better at prompting. So if you want to join me on this 30-day challenge, just practicing Cursor and V0, which is just prompt chaining, you can also use screenshots to be like, you make my website look like this, and then work on your abilities to create a web development app.
Cloud artifacts, as you can get a visual view of your generations with the panel beside your chat interface. This way, you can easily visualize the components being generated by AI in real time. Now, you may ask yourself, why even use V0? Well, this is because it's currently, in my opinion, the best way for you to build UI components with guided prompts that are generated by Cursor's Composer feature. Now, imagine if you are to combine this new chat-based web development companion with Cursor's Composer, which is an elite code-based tool to develop apps. Well, you're basically going to get the best of the best generations if you are to do so. In this demo video, which you see right now, this is an initial MVP that was developed within an hour, and it's a highly interactive dashboard which tracks real estate in Denmark. And it can do
So the goal is just to make MVPs, which is like a minimal viable product, which is the bare bones, some aesthetics within a month. Or if you're really good, as this guy is, you can do it within an hour, and then just get Cursor to be like, can you fix these errors? Because when you see an error, all you need to do is copy and paste and just tell the prompt chain AI to be like, can you fix the code for me? So it's all a lot of copy and pasting and just prompting. If you're good at those two things, then you don't need to know how to do code, you need to read code or understand code.
data analysis for you. Now, this is not your typical dashboard that would be generated by AI. This is something that is very interactive. It has components that are actually functional, and this is something that was fully developed with Cursor plus V0. And this is something that I'm going to be showcasing how you can do throughout today's video by combining both tools to help you create the best of the best applications that is out there. Now, before we get started, I definitely recommend that you take a look at the Patreon page so that you can access the new subscriptions that we'll be releasing this week.
And an ad.
What's
They
up?
have free
Hi,
ad.
Kira. We brought you here to
So let's get started. What you're going to need to do is have V0 opened up on one of your browser tabs, and once you have done that, make sure that you have Cursor installed. You can install this for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and it's completely free to actually install. Once you have installed it, open up Cursor, and what you're going to need to do first is make sure that you have the Composer feature enabled. So simply open it up on a new folder.
So again, it's only procrastination if you're just watching. So right now, there's two mindsets I'm having. I'm recording content, which is completely still not procrastinating it because still producing content for you guys, and I'm showing how the stack works, which is content creation on top of email marketing plus the skill of no code web development. But I still have to improve on my marketing skills. In terms of what happened this week, I've managed to get a couple of calls, and I do want to say that I was supposed to have a call today, but the guy no-showed. And what does that mean? Does it mean that the market and the the competition is not that great, or are people that want to be in business they're just entrepreneurs? Because a lot of people want business, but it doesn't seem like they're showing up. Yesterday, this guy showed up late. No, absolutely no shades thrown. He managed to show up very polite and looking forward to work with him. But only 2 out of 4 people showed up, which is surprising. 50% show up rate. Well, one, I'd say is because my profile's not established yet. Surely, like only 400 subscribers. I will do a video tomorrow or at some stage about how I got up to 400k in LinkedIn impressions from a video. It wasn't this greatest video, but it went viral. So there's two things that I'm sort of thinking about when it comes to LinkedIn videos. One, that they want creators to make videos because it could be like one of those bloat impressions to shoot some dopamine up my butt to make me be like, holy cow, I've made it. So I've messaged a lot of people about this, and it could be fake. Fake as in like I wasn't getting much reactions or engagements, meaning that not much people were engaging with my content, and also it wasn't targeted to the right ICP, meaning that I wasn't getting much leads. I did get maybe 20 followers and 2 people I was talking to. I booked 2 calls, which was really good. I managed to talk to one person working in water regeneration, just creating a relationship through that. And one thing I'm starting to realize, this is a phase that a lot of people tend to be lost, or they just don't know what to do, which is giving free value and building relationships. Especially if you're at the start, you're just trying to make a quick buck. I am trying to make a quick buck. That's why I am scared to do the outreach, because I'm just still burning money, not expecting the best. And that's pretty much what brings me back to the first topic that I want to talk about. Like, what are you guys procrastinating on? For me, it's sending emails, because it's, again, money down the drain, money down the drain. But the mindset I should be thinking about is, if I'm worth $100 an hour and I'm doing 4 hours a day on my side business, $400 a day is going down the drain for the past 5 days. So 400 times 5 is 2K of productive work. Okay, I'm glad I said this, because that's kind of opened my head into, okay, it's okay to spend money. If you're worth $100 an hour, you can put 4 hours a day into your side hustle. You're losing $400 a day every single time you are procrastinating. How about that? Not good. Not good. Look, if you're wanting to grow your personal brand through podcasting, shoot me up. Let's do a podcast episode. I can help promote your business through a 45-minute chat where you're talking to your ICP. I'll direct the questions to help chop them up into short form videos. I can help you repurpose them. If you're a founder, CEO, C suite, consultant, coach, we've got to get your organic profile up to scratch. And if you made it this far, hit me up for the algo, comment procrastination, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.